What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm literally doing my second job. First of all, I just worked a 7A to 7P shift. I just clocked out at 8. Now I'm going to show you guys a video on what I did and what changes I made towards my dividend portfolio. Is huge. So let's go down real quick. I want to show you the changes that I made. So let me just showed you what I did. So let's see. Let's go back. And let's see, what did I do? Activity. So this was huge, okay? So I sold Maximum Integrated Products, I sold AGNC, and I sold SPHD. Why did I do that? Okay, let's look at this real quick. So I needed to focus on the rate sector. And I have Plymouth Industrial Rate. First Energy, I did put money in. By the way, I just posted a video on one of my top 5 stocks, and First Energy Corp was in them. I wanted to focus on my business development companies with Gladstone Investment Corporation and, SPHD versus Main Street Capital. Okay, I have Main Street Capital on my E-Trade dividend portfolio, but Main Street Capital has produced a very nice dividend. I'm going to post a comment in the top right-hand corner. But what I was saying about Maximum Integrated Products, I just couldn't keep up with it. As a semiconductor stock, this Seagate is also a really good one. And with Seagate, let me just show you. I'm going to go to Seagate real quick. I really wanted to diversify my portfolio, and having Seagate in there, which is a semiconductor, I have 9.77 shares. And okay, I was up 8.24%. But at the same time, you look at this stock, okay, it's a 4.36 dividend yield. Past 5 years, it's been, so-so against the S&P, but it has increased its price, has increased its dividend over time, and it's just such a popular stock right now. So, it is part of the semiconductor business. It is up and down, very nice dividend. I couldn't say no to that. So I have 9 shares, right around 9 shares. Let's just say 10. So I'm going to get better dividends from Seagate than I am with Maximum Integrated Products. Sure, Maxim, I'm going to get a little bit, but Maximum Integrated Products is way up there. Also, I'm at 29 positions, so I kind of reduced my holdings because I kind of realized, okay, it's probably not worth it to have that in. So selling SPHD and having Main Street Capital, Main Street it produces a better dividend, and I believe as a business development company, if you look at the history of SPHD, they call themselves a high dividend, low volatility ETF. Sure, they are, but they're not really doing that good, honestly. And I just looked at them. I needed to be a little bit more aggressive on my dividend portfolio, so that's why I added Main Street Capital. So it's right around 31.78. It's almost the same price as SPHD, but it distributes a much better dividend. So, that's one thing with me being 35 years old. Exchange traded funds are one thing, but man, I got to go for the prize. I got to go for the pearl, be a little bit more aggressive. So I don't really have an ETF here except QYLD. So maybe once I get in my 40s, I'll start focusing a little bit more on ETFs. But as of right now, why even waste my time with those type of stocks? Because I can get some powerful stocks like Seagate, Coca-Cola, LTC, Iron Mountain. And I'm just very excited because I've made $345.39 sitting on my ass, pretty much doing nothing, adding to the Death Star right here, $12,602.91. This is exciting, okay? I'm attacking the real estate sector right now. So Iron Mountain, I have the Plymouth Industrial Rate. Not too bad. Gives a decent dividend percentage. Let's look at this stock. It's down. You guys told me to look at BPY. I am gonna. I'm not gonna rule that out. So I am definitely. Let's see, a 3.6, 6.36 dividend yield. Okay, Arcadia Realty Trust. Okay, it's a little bit down, a 1.98% dividend yield. I might change that eventually and just throw in another one. So, I haven't ruled out a lot of things with a lot of these stocks. So I'm very excited to see how a lot of these stocks perform in the long run. So really, those are the changes I made. I really liked Maxim Integrated Products, but with the changes I made, look at Seagate's dividends. Okay, I mean they're pretty powerful stock as a dividend stock. The more I buy, the more I'm going to just get more firepower with my dividend portfolio. Look at that. QYLD is getting me $5.90. I might even have to throw that in my E-Trade dividend portfolio and reinvest dividends over time. Because how much do I have at QYLD? Really, to be honest. I'll see how much I have in QYLD. I have 25 shares. So $591.38. That gives me $5 a month. I mean, think about that. Reinvesting. If I had 100 shares in QYLD, I mean, just by itself, I mean, that's a lot of firepower to begin with. So these monthly dividends are starting to do some damage. I want LTC to get up there because eventually they will be distributing a dividend that can be equivalent to QYLD, not in 5 or 10 years probably, but it's getting up there. So, I got Altria, Pembina Pipeline, BIP. I better catch up to, these guys are jumping up pretty quick, so I better catch up to them. First Energy is doing really good. Omega Healthcare Investors and Enbridge. It's very exciting to see this portfolio grow. I'm at 32 shares of gain. On my other dividend portfolio, on E-Trade, I'm at like 100 some. So you can just buy more shares over time. I mean, this could be a stock that will help me with my goal to get to $1,000 to $3,000 a month of my monthly dividends. So those are really my changes that I made. As you can tell, I just finished my shift. I'm going to meal prep real quick and get back to eating. But very exciting. And those are the changes I made. So let me know what you think of this video. Again, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button for me. I would appreciate it. I don't believe in charging you guys, but this is really what I bring to the table. Love what I'm doing for you guys, and I'm going to be posting more videos. I'm going to try to do daily if I can. So that's about it with my portfolio. So I tried to say 2 to 3, but I'm going to try to get a little bit more daily in my dividend portfolio. I think it's a little bit more important to let you know the changes or my thought process of what's going on. So thank you again and have a good one.